Well, so having this, let's try and change any figure here and see whether it's going to affect all of them. So this is 300. Let me make it to say 400. So it means that making this one 400, the total here is rather going to, so it means I have added 100. It's going to be 3,760, right? So let me just hit enter and see that. And this is what we added to get this, and therefore this one too has actually changed. Okay, so anytime you make any changes here to change. Okay, anytime you make changes to any of them, since you use the formula for that, everything is going to be what affected. So let me change this one, the highest figure here. uh, let me make this one, let's say 100. 100. So it is going to reduce drastically. These two also going to hold reduced. But see that that's reduced. All right. All right. If you make here zero, see that. So once you use the formula, whatever you do over here is going to have effect on them. And that is how Excel works. All right. All right. Again, there is one thing. If you want to probably change the formula here, without doing it over here, you can come to the box over here. So whatever you change it over here is going to have effect over here. So it means that whatever you type on it or highlight on it is rather appearing here. So here the formula is appearing. The formula is what, B3 to G3. Okay. So basically that is how it works. All right, so let's meet in our next video for a nice and a quite interesting topic. Thank you.